Okay, that's your key fob right there. Turn it around, and right there you will see that small gap. That's where you have to put your couple fingernails in there and pry it out. That small cover is gonna pop right out, just like that. It's gonna come off in a couple seconds. And that's the battery right there. In order to get the battery off, you need a screwdriver. So open up the trunk, lift up the trunk carpet, and that's where you'll find all the tools. And that's where the screwdriver is. So let's get screwdriver out. And now you will use the screwdriver to pry the battery off. It's gonna more like pop right off. Okay, so keep one thumb on the battery. If it flies off, that's still okay, but just keep one thumb on it and pry it out, and off it comes. Now let's take a closer look at the battery. It's a CR2032. Again, CR2032. That's the back side, the negative, the positive side is with the numbers on it. So get the new battery, insert it the way I'm showing over here with the positive side on the top, right? Align it just like that, and then use your right thumb to just push it down. Push it in that angle, it's gonna go back in its position, lock. All we have to now do is put the cover back on. So align the cover back on the remote, and then just push it, and it's locked in place. Let's try it out, and that is looking good.